Hi guys, this is a Solar Dinosaur. I do have the kit for this, but I also picked this one up ready-made in a charity shop for 50p. Now, I did have a question a while back about could I put a supercapacitor across one so it would keep running during the shadows during the cloudy periods. So I happen to have some supercapacitors at the moment. These ones are 2.7 volt 10 Farad. So I've just soldered it straight across the back of the solar panel. I'll put his head back on again and we'll see what happens. One problem will be the balance, because that'll upset the balance being up there. But hopefully I can move it around a bit to try and get it right. And because some sun would be handy. Now, under normal conditions, he would start moving as soon as you shine a light on there. But in this case, any power generated by the solar panel is going to go into the supercapacitor first before there's enough power to go anywhere else. So I don't know how long it'll take to charge up. I'll put a light on it and say normally that would be enough to start it walking, but we need to charge up the solar panel first. I just gave the supercapacitor a bit of a boost by putting the battery straight across it to put some power in there, just so I can check it actually moves. If I short it out, it should stop. Yeah. Oh. Yeah. So that's shorted it out to stop it. But I think it will take, sorry about the flicker, I think it will take an awfully long time to charge up from the light. So we'll leave it and see what happens. Well, I wasn't getting any luck with the lights. They are quite powerful, but they are LED lights. But very briefly, we had a break in the clouds and some real sunshine, and he moved a tiny bit. So it might work if we get full sunshine. We're going to have to wait for a sunny day. Thanks for watching. If you want more information, check down below in the video description. If you like this video, you might like this one up here. And if you want to subscribe, you can check out my channel over here. Up here is my latest video on my channel, and down here is a video playlist associated with the video you've just watched. Thanks again for watching.